Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tech Media Podcast.
Today's discussion is titled The Use of AI, Negative and Positive Side Effects.
Artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than ever before. Many people fear AI because it can automate repetitive jobs.
That's true. Some workers are already being replaced by AI-powered systems.
But that's only one side of the story. The smartest people are learning AI instead of fighting it.
They're using AI to build valuable tech skills and secure high-paying online jobs.
So the first thing we'll do is to go over to our ChatGPT. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and just paste my prompt here. Right, you can check my Telegram channel on the comment section, the pinned comments on my comment section. Here you can join. So this is what I said. This is what I sent to ChatGPT. I said, give me a prompt for an AI podcast involving two presenters, a male and a female. The subject of discussion should be about how AI is taking people's job, how the smart ones are using the same AI to secure high-paying jobs online. So the studio name is Tech Media. It should be a standard podcast studio. The podcast should start by introducing the topic. So I want is how the podcast to start. The podcast will start by, the presenter introducing themselves. That's what I asked you to do. Then I said the use of AI. This is what I asked. This is what I'm going to talk about. The use of AI, negative and positive side effects. So this is what I'm going to talk about. Then I said, give me the image prompt with the animation prompt. Also add voiceover, and the podcast should be about 3 scenes. So each scene should be 8 seconds long with good camera movement. So I have to add the ratio, ratio 16.9, which is the normal YouTube standard. All right. So if you need the prompt, you can get it on my Telegram channel. Don't worry, you can check the description below. The link is there on my pinned comment section. So once I send this is what ChatGPT is going to give to me. All right. So you can see what ChatGPT is going to give. This is the, you can see from 0 to, this is scene 1, which is 8 seconds. And this is the image prompt. So I'm going to go through to make sure that everything is correct. Each Tech Media is already there. This is the animation prompt. All right. Then this is the voiceover. Okay. So exactly what I asked you to generate. So you just follow me carefully so you don't get confused. Now I'm going to do the same thing with Claude. All right. I'm going to go over to Claude and say what I did. I just copy the prompt and I paste it here on Claude. This is my Claude. You can go to Claude. We sign up an account on Claude, and I'm going to go ahead and submit it to see what Claude will do with it. Now we gave them the same prompt. We're going to see how they are going to, generate the podcast prompt for us. You can see this is Tech Media AI podcast generation, studio character base. You can see the way we use across all scenes for consistency. Now I didn't even add this, but you can see what Claude was able to do. So it's very obvious that if you are writing this in terms of writing script, I think Claude AI is the best in terms of writing script. So you can go through, you can actually copy the script on my Telegram channel, paste it to see for yourself and see what you are going to generate with it. Okay. So you can see here is the image prompt. As you can see, after that, we have the animation prompt. Then we have the voiceover, exactly the way I asked it to bring everything out. You can see even the prompt it gave to us is a bit very small. You can see that the write-up is very scanty. But yes, they are direct and straight to the point. Okay. If I copy this one and use it now, if I use this one on my flow, you will see what will happen. Okay. So I'll come back to my ChatGPT. We're going to start with ChatGPT first. So this is the image prompt. We're first of all going to go ahead and create all our image. Very important. So we'll go to our flow. Flow is the app that we're going to use to create stuff. So we're going to be using Flow for this. So go to your flow, go to your browser and just go to Google Flow. Type on Google Flow on your browser. Okay, all these AI tools, they are all free. All right. So I'll first of all copy my prompt. I'll go to my Google Flow. I'm going to paste it here. I want to check and make sure that it's image. I'll convert it to image and make sure that it is 60 by 9. It currently 9 by 16. So I'm going to make sure that it is 16 by 9. Then I'll check it to be Nano Banana Pro. In order to get good quality. I'm going to paste my image prompt. You don't need to change anything because we have checked that everything is okay. So we just paste everything there. Here you can see what we generated. Okay. the podcast. This is from ChatGPT. All right. So this is the image we're going to be using. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. This image is what we're going to be using all through. Right. So I'll need to go to my cloud. I'm going to look for the scene one. I'm going to go ahead and copy the image prompt from our cloud. Hit on copy, then go back to our flow. I'm going to paste it here. Then I'll go ahead and submit that. Right. So you can see what flow created for our cloud AI. You can see the difference. Now, I don't know why cloud gave us white people. I think ChatGPT is more of African, if you ask me, because he created African AI stuff. As you can see, the presenters are Africans here. Okay, so I don't know why. You can actually try it yourself. Try the same prompt on both ChatGPT and Cloud. Let's see whether it will give you same thing. Okay, so I don't need to copy any of those prompts again, the image prompt. And we're going to be using just that image for everything. So first of all, in our scene one, we're going to go ahead and copy our animation, copy the animation alongside with the voiceover. Here, we're going to come here and switch to video because I want to create video now. I want to go ahead and animate the first video we created. I want to use view 3.1 light. So we are going to animate the first video that we created. I'll paste the prompt here, the first image I mean to say. Then I click on the plus sign button to check the image, the first image, that image, the one that we created from ChatGPT, because we are using ChatGPT to animate ChatGPT's images now. All right, Flow is going to go ahead and animate our image to become a video. All right, as you can see, here's the video. So I'll just go ahead and copy it over. I have to save that. So I'll go back to my ChatGPT. I go to my scene 2. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the prompt, the animation prompt for scene 2. Now you know fully well that we are using the same image for everything, since the image is perfect, so we don't need to waste our time. So I'll come here and paste it. We are still going to use the same image. The scene is for scene 2. So go ahead and just repeat the same process here and make sure we are using the same image. So I have to check whether the image is correct, because if you mix it up, it's going to confuse Flow. Okay, you want to make sure you use the same image for both. And the image is just going to go ahead and load. So once you start playing, you know that your video has already been generated already. All right, so go ahead and download this. So once you download it, you are done with that. Okay, make sure it's downloaded. Then we are left with one scene, which is the scene 3. So go ahead and copy the scene 3. I'm going to have copy from there. All right, so this is the last scene. I copy that and go back to my flow and paste it on my flow here. So I make sure I'm using the same image and I submit. All right, so this is the last video we are generating. This is the last video we are generating currently. So as you can see, so make sure it's displaying. I will go ahead and download that also. All right, so I want to make sure they are downloaded because we are going to need them at the end of the day. So now we are on our Cloud AI. So what we need to do is to go ahead and copy our Cloud AI, the animation and the voiceover. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing we did for ChatGPT. This time around, when we paste it, we are going to look for the image that you click on your plus sign button. You are going to make sure you scroll down to get the image of what we created, the image we created from our cloud. So you have to make sure that the same image that is there, so I don't mix it up with the one you created from ChatGPT. If not, you're just going to be talking rubbish because the image does not flow with the prompt. Okay, the prompt comes with the image. The prompt to animate the image comes with the image. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and download that so you don't miss it. Okay, the prompt is on, like I said before, you can get that on my Telegram channel, so it's very easy. You don't need to stress yourself about that. That's where I deliver all my prompts and all the informations that I can share here on YouTube. So make sure you join my Telegram channel on the comment section, the pinned comment section, or on the description. All right. So I'm just going to go over to do the same thing for my. All right, this is the video. As you can see, how to make sure that we use because the video is also there, so you don't make the mistake of using the video because it will not work. You just waste your unit. All right. So this is scene 2. It's just remaining one scene. You have to go ahead and download this one. Okay. Make sure that it is downloaded because if you miss it, you might not be able to. All right, because we are going to refresh very soon. So these are last scene that we're going to do now. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it. Right click. Then I come here, I paste it here, submit. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and add. Okay, I don't know why my mouse is kind of malfunctioning. So the image didn't show up again. Like I said before, sometimes it just disappears, it doesn't show up again. I have to go back and, that's why I say it's good to download the image. Make sure you download the image. All right, the thing just obviously disappeared for my dashboard. Right, so I have to go and upload the image. So sorry, I have to repaste that again. I have to do that the second time. Okay. Right, I think I missed the image before. So it's going to go ahead and generate. So this is what we have. You can see the video is going to play. So I'll go ahead and download that. Now, as you can see, we are already done. Okay, we are already done with everything. Now let's go ahead and play to see what we have.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tech Media Podcast.
Today's discussion is titled The Use of AI, Negative and Positive Side Effects.
Artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than ever before. Many people fear AI because it can automate repetitive jobs.
That's true. Some workers are already being replaced by AI-powered systems.
But that's only one side of the story. The smartest people are learning AI instead of fighting it.
They're using AI to build valuable tech skills and secure high-paying online jobs.
Welcome back to Tech Media 2. I'm here with my co-host, and today we're diving into something everyone's talking about.
Yeah, the use of AI, Lud. It's to be honest, Kof. AI is replacing roles faster than people can adapt. Customer service, data entry, even entry-level coding jobs are disappearing.
It's a real fear for a lot of people right now.
I'm talking about smart people mastering AI, not fearing it.
Yes, because it's helping people land high-paying tech jobs online. Welcome back to Tech Media.
All right, so I'm just going to go back and I want to do one more thing. So this is a prompt I want to give them both. So I said, now create a high YouTube thumbnail with this right up. A professional AI podcast with ChatGPT versus Claude. The size should be 1280 by 720 pixels. Use the uploaded image as the thumbnail background. Give this design your best, right? So I want them to create, I'm giving the same prompt now to create a thumbnail for this. Okay, the thumbnail, normal YouTube thumbnail is 1280 by 720 pixels. So now I said I should use the background image. There's no background image here now. So I have to click on this plus sign button to add image, which is the podcast we created, the image that we created. I'm going to go ahead and add image. Don't forget this is our ChatGPT. So I'll go ahead and look for the image that ChatGPT created for us from the beginning. That's why it's going to save everything. I know where you saved them. Right, this is the image here. This is the first one. I'll add it there. So it's going to use this image that I gave to it now that we created earlier to design this thing. So I'm going to go ahead and submit. All right, when you submit, it's going to go ahead and just generate. All right, I think ChatGPT is actually very fast. Don't it take time? So you can see it's, this AI podcast. You can see what it created. Okay, so I think this actually makes sense. So we are also going to, you will be the one to judge. All right, you can see the video we created before. You can judge between the ChatGPT and the Claude, which one has a better video generation. Right, so the next one we are going to look out for is we're going to copy the same prompt. I just copied it. I'm going to paste it here on Claude. Same prompt. I didn't make any changes. So same prompt. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add the image that we generated from Claude. The same way I prompted ChatGPT, that is the same way I prompted this Claude. You are going to see that all AI tools have different capacity. They don't generate the same thing. All right, so over here, you are going to know which one you are going to pick from both of them. All right, what we will use Google Flow to make sure that we generate the videos. That's the only thing we need a Google Flow for. The major thing we want to check out is for how the behave. Okay. I don't think this makes sense at all. All right, let me hear your thought in the comment section if you think ChatGPT is better than Cloud in terms of image generation. I think for graphic design, I think ChatGPT is a better graphic designer than Cloud. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and download it, and I think Cloud is a better script writer than ChatGPT. But in terms of image prompt, video prompt generation, I think I will also give that to ChatGPT. But if you have watched the video to this part, I want to believe that you have already subscribed to this channel. And if you have not joined my Telegram channel, you are missing a lot. You have to click on the link on the comment section, like the pinned comment section, and join my Telegram channel. Okay, that's where you get access to all these prompts. Okay, I dropped a lot of prompts there. Now I want to make a little bit edit here. You know, I said that you should use the uploaded image as the thumbnail. I want to remove that part so that I want them to design the thumbnail from scratch from their head. That means the AI should do the work for themselves. All right. So I just deleted that. So I'm not giving them anything. They should create it by themselves. So I submitted to ChatGPT. Now this is what ChatGPT created. Now it doesn't have like I have to create new chat. I'm scrolling so you will see that this is a new chat. So it doesn't have any previous knowledge of what he designed before. And you can see what he designed is different. So the image you are seeing here and all the design here, it created everything by itself. I didn't give ChatGPT any image. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the same prompt and take it to Cloud AI. So I'm going to take this thing to Cloud to see what Cloud is going to do with it. So I'm going to come here and just create a new chat so that we will not mess things up. I want to do everything from scratch again. I just paste it here. I'm not going to give them any hints or what to do. I'm just going to tell them to design the thumbnail with the write-up I gave. And let's see what Cloud is going to design for us. Like I said before, I think ChatGPT is a better graphic designer than Cloud. So let me hear what you have to say in the comment section. If you think I'm wrong, where I think ChatGPT is better than this in terms of what I think Cloud beat ChatGPT on is just script writing. ChatGPT is a better, Cloud is a better script writer. Or what do you think? Drop your comment in the comment section.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.